Hey there, amazing viewers! Breaking news that you need to hear right now. If you're one of the millions of Americans receiving Social Security benefits, today could be your lucky day with a $5,893 payment hitting your bank account. But before we dive into all the details about this crucial SSI and SSDI deposit, if you want to stay updated on the latest Social Security news and never miss an important payment date, hit that subscribe button and notification bell right now. Now, you might be wondering who exactly qualifies for this substantial payment, and why is this particular deposit so significant? Well, I'm here to break it all down for you in detail, because understanding your benefits can make a huge difference in your financial planning. This payment is particularly noteworthy because it represents one of the largest regular monthly deposits for Social Security beneficiaries, reflecting recent cost of living adjustments and supplemental payments that have been implemented to help recipients cope with rising inflation. But here's what makes this even more interesting. Did you know that the timing of these deposits varies depending on your specific situation and when you started receiving benefits? Let's talk about who's eligible for this $5,893 payment. If you're receiving Supplemental Security Income, SSI, or Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, this could be your deposit day. For SSI recipients, payments typically arrive on the first of each month, unless that falls on a weekend or holiday, in which case it comes early. For SSDI beneficiaries, your payment date depends on your birthday. Those born between the 1st and 10th receive payments on the second Wednesday. Birthdays from the 11th to 20th get paid on the third Wednesday, and if your birthday falls between the 21st and 31st, you'll receive your payment on the fourth Wednesday. But here's something crucial that many people don't realize: these payments aren't just arbitrary numbers. They're carefully calculated based on your work history, earnings record, and the age at which you began receiving benefits. Have you ever wondered how the Social Security Administration determines your exact payment amount? It's actually a fascinating process that takes into account your highest earning 35 years of work history. Speaking of calculations, let's address a question that's probably on your mind: why $5,893 specifically? This amount represents the maximum monthly benefit for some beneficiaries in 2024, particularly those who waited until full retirement age or later to claim their benefits. However, it's important to note that not everyone will receive this exact amount. Your individual payment could be different based on various factors, including your work history, disability status, and when you started receiving benefits. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Did you know that these payments are subject to regular cost of living adjustments, COLAs? These adjustments are designed to help your benefits keep pace with inflation. The most recent COLA was one of the largest in decades, resulting in significant increases for many beneficiaries. But what does this mean for your future payments? And more importantly, how can you make sure you're maximizing your benefits? Let's dive into some practical advice that could help you get the most out of your Social Security benefits. First, have you checked your Social Security statement recently? Many people don't realize that reviewing their earnings record regularly is crucial because errors can impact your payment amounts. You can easily access your statement online through the Social Security Administration's website. Another important aspect that often gets overlooked is the impact of working while receiving benefits. Did you know that earning income while collecting Social Security can affect your payment amounts? There are specific earnings limits that vary depending on whether you've reached full retirement age. Understanding these limits is crucial to avoid any unexpected reductions in your benefits. For those receiving SSDI, there's another critical factor to consider: the trial work period. This program allows you to test your ability to work while still receiving full benefits. But here's the catch: many beneficiaries don't fully understand how to use this period effectively without jeopardizing their benefits. Have you considered exploring work opportunities while maintaining your benefits? Now, let's talk about something that affects many SSI recipients: the resource limit. Are you aware that having too many resources, assets, can affect your eligibility for SSI? The current limits are $2,000 for individuals and $3,000 for couples, but there are certain assets that don't count toward this limit. Understanding these exemptions could help you maintain your eligibility while building some financial security. What about taxes on your Social Security benefits? This is an area where many recipients get confused. Depending on your total income, up to 85% of your Social Security benefits might be taxable. Have you considered how other sources of income might affect the taxation of your benefits? Planning ahead for potential tax implications can help you avoid surprises during tax season. Here's something else to think about. Have you explored all the additional benefits you might be eligible for? Many Social Security recipients don't realize they might qualify for other assistance programs like Medicare savings programs, extra help with Medicare prescription drug costs, or even state-specific benefits. These additional programs could help stretch your Social Security payments further. Let's talk about protection against fraud, an increasingly important topic in today's digital age. Did you know that Social Security-related scams are on the rise? Scammers often target beneficiaries with phone calls, emails, or text messages claiming to be from the Social Security Administration. Understanding how to identify and avoid these scams is crucial for protecting your benefits. For those of you caring for someone who receives Social Security benefits, there are special considerations you need to know about. Are you familiar with the Representative Payee Program? This program allows someone to manage benefits on behalf of a recipient who can't manage their own finances. Understanding your responsibilities as a representative payee is crucial for ensuring proper benefit management. Now, here's a question that many of you have been asking: what happens if your payment doesn't arrive as scheduled? While direct deposit is generally very reliable, sometimes issues can arise. The first step is to contact your bank to confirm whether the payment was received. If there's still an issue, you'll need to contact the Social Security Administration. Having their contact information readily available can save you time and stress if you ever encounter payment delays. Looking ahead, it's important to understand how future changes might affect your benefits. The Social Security Administration regularly updates its policies and procedures. Staying informed about these changes can help you better plan for your financial future. Have you considered setting up online access to your Social Security account to easily track any updates or changes to your benefits? For those of you who are still working and planning for future Social Security benefits, this is a great time to start understanding how your current work and earnings will affect your future benefits. Did you know that your benefit amount is based on your highest 35 years of earnings? Working longer and earning more could potentially increase your future benefit amounts. Remember, while today's $5,893 payment is significant, understanding the entire Social Security system is crucial for maximizing your benefits over the long term. Whether you're receiving SSI, SSDI, or regular retirement benefits, staying informed about your rights and responsibilities can make a huge difference in your financial security. Before we wrap up, let me remind you of something important. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly updating our content with the latest Social Security news, payment dates, and benefit information. Why navigate the complex world of Social Security benefits alone when you can have reliable, up-to-date information delivered right to your feed? And here's one final thought: have you shared this information with friends or family members who might also benefit from knowing about today's payment schedule? Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your Social Security benefits effectively. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about your benefits or if there are specific Social Security topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check your bank account for that deposit. Until next time, take care and keep watching for more valuable Social Security information.